Finally, it's Thursday. Just one more day of work.
You're right. I can't wait to relax.
So, any plans for the weekend?
I'd like to go to the lake. The lake is quiet and sunny.
I'd prefer to go to the mountains. We can sleep in a tent. It will be fun.
Camp? But isn't it too cold to camp in the mountains?
Good question. What's the weather like?
Let me check. On Saturday, it's partly cloudy, with light rain in the afternoon. It's warm during the day and cold at night. On Sunday, it's sunny and warm. There's no wind and there are no storms.
Well, okay. Let's go to the mountains. I'm bringing a warm sweater. It gets cold at night.
Good idea. I have my rain jacket too.
I'm bringing my swimsuit, sun umbrella, and beach towel.
Tom, we are not going to the beach.
You never know. If we find a lake, we might swim.
Hey Leo, please help me. Should I bring my hiking boots? Okay, great. And I think I'll need a few t-shirts. Too many? Okay, funny dog. And I'll take my jacket, of course. It might get cold in the mountains. What do you think? Perfect. I'm also bringing a thermos for hot chocolate. Can you imagine, Leo? Sitting by the campfire, drinking hot chocolate and watching the stars.
Where are my socks? Oh, here they are.
What do you think about these shorts? Perfect, right?
Sure, shorts are fine, but don't forget your long pants. Let's do a quick check. Do we have everything? Hiking boots, sweater, t-shirt, rain jacket, socks, short, and long pants.
Wait, what about the backpack? Can we have some music?
Great idea! What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
I like pop music too.
Great! I'll turn on the radio.
I love this. How far are the mountains? Are we close?
The navigator says we're still a bit far. We've got about an hour left.
I love being in nature. The fresh air is so nice.
Yeah, no phone calls, no emails, just us, the car, and...
This amazing view. How far is the campsite?
Not too far. I think we're almost there.
I hope it's close. My backpack is getting heavy. Leo, why are you barking? What's wrong? What did you see? I don't see anything.
Wow, where did you come from?
I came from the clouds. The view up there is amazing.
Hey, do you know where we can camp? We're looking for a place for the night.
There's an amazing spot near a waterfall.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, just follow the path. It's close to the big rocks.
Great, thank you.
Happy to help. Enjoy your walk.
Remember the guy with the paraglider? He was so cool.
Yes, he was. I'd like to try paragliding one day.
You should try it, Tom. You love new adventures.
Maybe next time.
We were lucky with the weather today. No rain.
Yes, it was perfect, just a little cloudy. What was that?
We spoke too soon.
That's all for today. Enjoyed the lesson? Please like, comment and subscribe for more fun English adventures.